Melissa earns $14 per hour and she works for 8 hours in a day. If she decided to work overtime, she will be paid $20 per hour. She works every day except Sunday. This week she earns $912. How many hours of overtime did she work? Let's start by figuring out how much money she made by working her regular hours, her non-overtime hours, which would be $14 an hour for 8 hours a day, every day except for Sunday. So if we were to represent all of that in terms of math, it would be $14 for every hour she works times 8 hours a day times the amount of money, the amount of days that she is working, which is going to be every day except Sunday, 6 days out of the 7 total days in a week. Then on top of that, she makes overtime pay of $20 per hour, but we don't know how many hours of overtime she worked. That is the question. That's what we're being asked. So we need to make that our unknown, our variable. And all of this together will total up to be $912. So now we can start to simplify and solve for our missing variable x. 8 times 6 will give us 48 times 14. We'll bring that over to the side here. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 3 is 19. And then 1 times anything is just itself. 9 plus 8 is 17. 2 plus 4 is 6. We have $672 without overtime. Add on our overtime, and that will equal 912. So now we need to do opposite operations and subtract 672 from both sides. This will cancel, leaving us with 20x equals 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 7, we can't do that. We have to borrow. 11 minus 7 is 4. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now we can divide both sides by 20. Final step of opposite operations, we can cancel out these zeros. 24 divided by 2 gives us 12, meaning Melissa worked 12 hours of overtime. A is our correct answer.